Okay then. As everyone knows, I think from my other videos, I have the 2 new kittens. This is their room. It's the bathroom, yes. So I got them 2 new collars. They've already put it on, and I thought it was so funny, so I quickly took it off and went looking for my camera. So, this one is hers, since it looks good on her, I guess. Okay, this is gonna be hard. Okay, if I can't, it's between my legs, so if I can't get it right now, getting it on her, then I'm sorry. There you go. Ugh. And this one is his. Oh, look what she does. Look what she does. Go on, scoot. Oh, come on. You haven't gotten used to it already. Come on. Okay, I guess she got used to it. But, where is he? Oh, there he is. Oh, you ruined the toilet paper again. Again! Okay, come here, you. This is gonna be hard. 1 second. Ugh. There! Hopefully I didn't get me. Come on, little one. Aw, come on, you. Well, I admit you're very cute. There we go. That's what he was doing before. They have to get used to it. And I swear it's not choking them. Come on, you. Come on, look at the camera. Oh, yes, that's my camera boy. Stop biting it. Stop biting it. Hello? You there. Stop biting your collar. It's not good for your teeth. He's still trying to bite it. It looks good on you. Come here, you. What? Hold on, I'm with the kittens. There you go.